Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Getting a perfect medium rare steak starts even before it hits the pan. Take your steak out of the fridge about 30 minutes to an hour beforehand, letting it come closer to room temperature. This helps it cook more evenly throughout, ensuring that beautiful pink center. Always pat your steak thoroughly dry with paper towels too. Moisture prevents that amazing crust we're aiming for. Then, season generously with salt and fresh cracked black pepper on all sides. Don't be shy. Now for the sizzle. Get your cast iron skillet or heavy-bottomed pan screaming hot over high heat. Add a high smoke point oil like grapeseed or avocado oil, just enough to coat the bottom. Once it's shimmering and almost smoking, carefully place your steak in the pan away from you. Let it sear undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, developing that rich, golden brown crust. After searing, lower the heat to medium and add a knob of butter, along with some garlic cloves and fresh rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan slightly and continuously spoon that melted, aromatic butter over your steak for another 1 to 3 minutes. This infuses incredible flavor and helps the cook. For medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit with an instant read thermometer. This next step is absolutely crucial and often overlooked: resting your steak. Immediately transfer your beautifully cooked steak from the hot pan onto a cutting board. Loosely tent it with foil, creating a warm, steamy environment without making it soggy. Let it rest there for at least 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the thickness. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, keeping it incredibly tender and juicy when you slice into it. Finally, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. After resting, slice your steak against the grain into nice, even pieces. This cuts through the muscle fibers, making each bite even more tender and enjoyable. Serve it immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of flaky sea salt or your favorite side dish. You've just mastered the art of cooking a perfect medium rare steak, ready to impress yourself and anyone else at the table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.